In this video, we will be discussing the importance of keywords in YouTube and how to use them effectively to increase the visibility of your videos. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a better understanding of how to use keywords to optimize your videos and reach a larger audience. YouTube keywords are the words or phrases that viewers use when searching for videos on the platform. These keywords help YouTube understand the content of a video and make it more discoverable to potential viewers. Keywords can include a single word or a phrase, and can be related to the topic of the video, the location, the audience, and more. YouTube keywords are important because they help your video appear in search results when viewers are looking for related content. Using relevant and specific keywords can also help your video rank higher in search results, which can lead to more views and engagement. Additionally, using the right keywords can also help your video appear in suggested videos, which can increase its reach even further. One of the most effective ways to research YouTube keywords is to use keyword research tools such as Google Keyword Planner or TubeBuddy. These tools can help you find keywords that are relevant to your video's topic and are being searched for by viewers. You can also use the YouTube search bar to check the volume of searches and the competition of specific keywords. It's also good to check the tags of the videos that are ranking in the top of the search results for the keywords you're targeting. Once you have researched your keywords, it's important to use them in your video's title and description. The title of your video should include your primary keyword, and should be catchy and informative. The title should be short and should be written in a way that makes people want to click on it. The description should include additional keywords that are relevant to the content of your video. It's good to include a few lines describing the video and its main points, including calls to action. The description should be written in a way that makes people want to watch the video. YouTube tags are another way to optimize your video for search. They are used to indicate the content of your video and help YouTube understand the topic. It's recommended to use a mix of relevant, specific and broad tags to increase your chances of being found. Using keywords in your video's content is also important to help YouTube understand the topic of your video. Make sure to include keywords in your video script, and include them in the captions or subtitles of your video. This will help YouTube understand the main topic of the video and make it more discoverable for people who are searching for related content. Before uploading your video, make sure to name the file with a relevant keyword. This will help YouTube understand the content of the video and make it more discoverable in search results. If you have a YouTube channel, make sure to include relevant keywords in the video URL. This will help the video rank higher in search results and make it more discoverable to potential viewers. Video annotations are notes that can be added to a video to provide additional information or links. Use them to include relevant keywords and links to other videos on your channel. Video transcripts are text versions of the video's audio that can be used to improve accessibility and SEO. Including relevant keywords in the transcript will make your video more discoverable in search results. Use YouTube Analytics to monitor your video's performance and see how it's doing in terms of views, engagement, and click-through rate. This will help you understand how your video is performing and make adjustments accordingly. Keep in mind that YouTube is a part of Google, so optimizing for both YouTube and Google search is important. This means that you should use keywords in the video title, description, tags, and content, as well as in the video file name, URL, and transcript. If you have a global audience, you should use different languages to optimize the video for the different regions. This will help the video reach a larger audience and increase its visibility in search results. Tags are an important part of optimizing your video for search. Use relevant tags that include your primary keyword and long-tail keywords. It is important to use relevant keywords that accurately describe the content of your video. This will help your video rank higher in search results and reach the right audience. The thumbnail is the first thing that viewers see when they come across your video in search results or suggested videos. Make sure to use a relevant and eye-catching thumbnail that includes keywords in the file name and in the text overlay if possible. Creating playlists on your channel and including your videos in them can help increase their visibility. Make sure to include relevant keywords in the title and description of the playlist. Cards are interactive elements that can be added to a video to promote other videos, playlists, or links. Use relevant keywords in the title and description of the card to increase the visibility of the promoted content. End screens are interactive elements that can be added to the end of a video to promote other videos, playlists, or links. Use relevant keywords in the title and description of the end screen to increase the visibility of the promoted content. Comments can be used to engage with your audience and promote your video. Make sure to use relevant keywords in your comments and respond to comments from viewers to increase engagement and visibility. Live streams are a great way to reach a larger audience and engage with your viewers in real time. Make sure to use relevant keywords in the title and description of the live stream and include them in the video script. Custom URLs are a great way to make your video more memorable and easy to share. Make sure to include relevant keywords in the custom URL and include them in the video's title and description. Collaborating with other YouTubers or influencers can help increase the visibility of your video. Promoting your video through social media, email marketing, or other channels can help increase its visibility. In conclusion, using YouTube keywords is an important part of optimizing your videos for search and reaching a larger audience. By researching, optimizing and using keywords in your video's title, description, tags, and content, you can help your video rank higher in search results and reach more viewers. Please hit the like button, smash the subscribe, and ding that notification bell for more videos like this coming soon. Thanks for watching.